Next yung tangga. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini Dimas berada di Regal Hotel bersama Siva. Hari ini acaranya temanya apa?
Ada produk dari Filipina, ya teman-teman, buat teman-teman di Hong Kong ini, tapi dari perusahaan ini dari Filipina.
Penasaran kan? Yuk ikutin keseruan video kali ini. Guys, kita jadi
Okay.
you can speak Tagalog, okay, no problem.
RBM as of today 160 plus. 60. Magandang umaga, hapon, gabi mga kababayan. Tuloy po kayo. Lahat po ng mga interested sa house and lots and condominiums, lots. Andito po kami ngayon sa Regal Ayala Land para i-discuss po sa inyo inyong mga options. Punta lang po kayo. Tina, Arlene, and the Filipinos na naghahanap po ng bayad lupa. Punta lang po kayo dito. You can sit here.
What you need to know about this development really, sa marami pong nababalita ay ito. Yung mga kamag-anak natin, tayo makauwi. Sana pag-land natin and pag-alis natin, airport experience natin is very, very seamless. Okay. Now I said that's more on the Philippines. We will quickly reintroduce to everyone a little bit more about Ayala so you can get acquainted to it. Before I move on to the next slide, I'm very confident that Ayala has touched our lives at one point in time. No, whether you've set foot in a development, you have used their facilities, and that I'll show you in a bit. This one shows you just the broad strokes of the company. Ayala Corporation is the mother company. It's actually the oldest business conglomerate in the country. This year, we're turning 191 years. Wala pa po ako 191 years ago. Siyempre, pag sinasabi pong we, kasi dito po kami nagtatrabaho. And of course, for the real estate arm, you have Ayala Land, BPI for banking, Globe for telecommunication, Ayala Corp Energy for sustainable energy business, and then our emerging businesses, we are also into healthcare, logistics, and mobility. Mobility, ito po yung sa, for example, franchise po natin si Honda, si Isuzu, and I see here yung BYD. BYD is also run in the Philippines by Ayala. Okay. And of course, as you get to know a company, it's very important for you to know not only gano'n na ba katagal yan, nire-recognize ba yan at pinagkakatiwalaan ng mga tao at ng mga institusyon. Happy to share with everyone that we have received a lot of recognitions, both local and international. This is very important because it adds to the credibility of the company that you are partnering with. But more than really the revenue-oriented recognitions, we take pride in taking care of our people. Just last year, we were one of those to be nominated or awarded or recognized as one of the world's best companies. And we truly believe that when people are happy, our employees are engaged and happy, we are able to deliver our services happily and we are able to bring out quality products. Diba? So kung tatanungin ko po yung mga Ayala employees dito, happy ba kayo sa hep hep? Hooray! Okay, very good. Okay, hinta ka mga sweldo nyo. Joke lang, huwag niyo po ako i-quote doon. Baka di na po ako makabalik dito. Masaya po talaga kami. Diba, Tessa? How long have you been with us? 10? See? 10 years, diba? And I genuinely say that from the heart. Nasabi po nga sa inyo kanina, was third generation employee. Very, very, very happy with components. On property development, we have premium residential, we have core, I'll introduce them in a bit. And then also commercial leasing, malls, offices, hotels, resorts, logistics, and even co-working spaces and dormitories. Ayala Land also has its own construction arm, our own property management group, which allows for hassle-free ownership para po sa inyong nandito overseas. Power supply, and these things back in the Philippines, Ayala started it, Ayala Real Estate Investment Trust. That's more like an investment financial instrument for investors. No? This is into logistics. Ortigas Land, kung narinig nyo rin po sila, 21% of that is owned by Ayala. Para po hindi masyado nakakalito, sa akin, iisa lamang po ang magandang intindihin doon. Yung Ortigas, they're like Ayalas, matagal na po sila sa Pilipinas, di ba yung Ortigas Ave, kung naalala nyo po. when they merge businesses, para po papasukin mo ang isang grupo sa iyong sariling bakuran, it means pinagkakatiwalaan mo sila. And that to me, in one bullet, is what this Ortigas Land 21% means. We also own Mercado Supermarket, and in Malaysia, para po sa inyo nakapunta na ng Malaysia, we own 66% of Avaland Berhad. So if I were to really put it in an image, this is where we are in our footprint all over the country, from north to south. We're not yet done. We still have, I believe, the for everyone, so that when we show it later on, medyo mas madali na po siyang maintindihan. The way I look at it, and as I see the crowd, hindi ko na po mabilang dahil ang dami natin kung mas marami pa yung babae o lalaki in attendance, no? But if I flash this, sige, tingnan nyo po, baka lalaki lang yung mag-react. Kasi tabi po sa mga babaeng nangongolekta rin ng relo, or maraming relo, no? Okay. What can we observe? Sana gumana yung clicker dito. Okay. Ito po ay Seiko. No? Tama po ba na magkakaiba yung presyo ng lahat? Yes. Tama po bang meron silang kanya-kanyang merkado? Yes. Okay. Tama po bang hindi ito kukolektahin ng namamolekta ng payong? Tama. Kasi po, kung kukolektahin mo lang ito kung gusto mo, no? Or you will start getting into it. Now, all of these, meron po silang kanya-kanyang value proposition, kung mapapansin nyo. Yes. Kanya-kanya ng price points, kanya-kanya ng captured market. If you just got into watches, pwede ka mag-umpisa sa Seiko. And then, pag na-appreciate mo na siya, you can do Tudor, Rolex. Kasi po, may mga, sa mga nangongolekta ng relo, and I have no doubt may mga tahimik lang dito, no? Hindi po merkado. At meron din po siyang presyo. Pag tumingin po tayo dito, hindi po tayo namamalik mata. Baka po sabihin nyo, nagkamali ka ng convert, uwi ka na. Hindi po. Meron po gustong gumamit ng calculator, or alam po natin kung magkano to? Eto, tama po to. Sa estima ko, mga 80 million pesos, isang lote. Totoo po yun. Ito po, kung di ako nagkakamali, mga 500 to 600 million pesos for one unit. It's called performed through time and through this disruptive moment. So, ang stock exchange po, since it was measured, ganito po siya. So, may mapapansin po kayong trend. Now, we look at insurance. Ganda rin pong insurance. Hindi po ako magtataka kung marami sa atin may insurance. But if you wonder how insurance is performed, ganito po siya. Next, we look at maybe a more famous or known financial instrument, time deposit. Right? Degree relatives. This is my aunt and my uncle. Kung alam po natin yung term na DINK, dual income, no kids. Sila po yan. They used to take care of our grandmother who unfortunately passed just last year. But before that, our grandmother also used to spend time here and live with them. They used to rent, para sa atin po mga nag-renta dito, or may mga pamilya pa tayo nag-renta, no? They used to rent for mga 27,000 pesos for a 3BR unit yata in Quezon City. And they've decided that they should probably, in a world full of uncertainty, Ayala Land offers more than just property. We offer our legacy of trust, growth, and the joy of our kababayans coming home. And I end by showing you this slide. I think we can all agree that you always gain something from real estate. One, whether it's be for investment. Number two, a place to retire. Number three, a place to call your own. And more importantly, a chance for all of us to secure the future now. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been my pleasure to speak in front of everyone today. I hope you are surrounded by very trusted Ayala sellers. We continue to be here. Please do enjoy the rest of the program. Please, I hope if you give us a chance, you allow us to build your future with Ayala Land.
Thank you for that. So now I will discuss briefly, Briefly lang po, yung mga projects that we can offer to you. Okay, so, the first first project that I will discuss is in Makati City. Okay, Makati City. Syempre sabi nga natin, Makati is Makati. So this is a powerhouse address for top local and international corporations. So in this area, there's retail establishments, offices, hotel, and also mga offices, hotel, and increased pedestrianization and mobility in this area. Do you know that in Makati, there's over 4.2 million people. Ito yung highest, no? Highest daytime population in the Philippines. So, napakadaming tao, parang ganito po. In Makati. Siyempre, ang ating project in Makati that I'll be discussing is in Circuit Makati. So, in Circuit Makati, this is part of the 6 nodes of development in the Makati City area. So the first node is the McKinley Exchange for the transport, Ayala Center, Ayala Triangle, Makati Business District, Ayala North Exchange, and this is the area of the Circuit Makati. So what's in Circuit Makati? So in Circuit Makati, where something is always on. This is the entertainment district of Makati area. So if you want to be in the entertainment district of Makati area, this is the perfect place for you. So you can see here the Samsung Performing Arts, the Circuit Event Ground, Ayala Ball Circuit, and this is the area of the Circuit Makati. So our project is Astela. So this is right beside the Samsung Performing Arts Theater and SNR, Ayala Mall Circuit. And if you will notice, there is a water feature here connecting to the Circuit Events Ground.
Break sebentar ya teman-teman semua. Kita mau lunch bareng dulu. Bareng teman-teman Filipino. Ini lantos. Pedineranya, Wak.